everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some macaroons like you've seen in my very last video that I showed you. So you're going to need a few things for this, and things you're going to need are going to be hot water, flour, salt. Any kind of salt will work. I'm just using regular table salt. If you're going to use sea salt, put in one of those grinder things. 2 spoons, a small bowl, a big bowl. This is for the filling that you'll be making for the macaroon, or you can just use normal salt though for this, but this is the filling. Baby powder, baby oil, and toilet paper. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with the salt dough. So by taking your big bowl, this is going to be the salt dough bowl. What you're going to do first is you're going to take one of your spoons. This will also be the mixing spoon to mix it. You're going to take some of your flour, and you're going to take 2 teaspoons of flour and put it into your bowl. I'll just put it all in because I'm going to be making a lot. So I'll just pour this all in. Just this one left up there. Sticking, I'll get that out later. And now for the next bit. So taking your salt, you're going to add your salt into this now. And there is a lot more salt than there was in the flour thing. So just add 3.5. If you're making the same as me, you want to add all of the flour, and this is like, I don't know how much this is, but I will leave it in the comments if you're wondering. And yeah, just add like 3.5 teaspoons. So now you're just going to mix this all together. Make sure that it's mixed in very, very well. And for the next bit for the salt dough. Taking your warm water, we're going to take a teaspoon of it and place it in the bowl. So we're going to add a lot of water. So start off with 3, and then we're going to mix this. You can see it's starting to form its dough. Doughy. Like this. It's getting very sticky, so we're just gonna mix it in with all this flour. Because most people, they add like lots of water at a time, and then they end up adding loads of flour and loads of salt again. But that's like just random bits, like random measurements. That's really bad. So just keep on mixing it. And I'm going to go add some more water, but first I'm going to get this excess salt dough off of my spoon. You can use cold water, but I don't know how it would really turn out. It just depends, like, what water you use. I personally prefer warm. So now I'm going to add another teaspoon, and I'm going to mix that all together. Okay, so I just rolled this up in a ball, and this is what it looks like. So now we are going to just get onto the filling, because the filling doesn't take that long to make. So let's get on to the filling. So for the filling, you're going to need a bowl. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rip up our toilet paper. So I'll be back with all this ripped up. So this is it. Now we're going to add some of our warm water. You can see some salt dough filling, but that's okay. So we're going to add some of our warm water. And, well, yeah. And just wet this, and then we're going to drain it. So yeah. Okay, so I squeezed all the excess water out. Let me just see if there's any. Nope. So squeeze all that out, and now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of our baby oil. And now you add some baby powder. So add this baby powder. Now you're going to mix it with your hands. Mix it all together with your hands. So this is what it looks like now, and we're going to get on to making the macaroon. First, you're going to part this into little small pieces. So you should at least have 6 of these. And now you're going to roll these into really fine balls. Now press them down like so to make this. So what I used to texturize it was one of these things right here, and all I did was I just went down like this and I put them down. And this one is particularly sticky, so if it's sticky you just want to slide it under there like that. That's why I put it on that right there. So I'm going to show you this with this one right here. So, let me just, alright. So, to make this, you're going to just start by doing this. Get close up of that. So you're just going to start putting this to it. I want to do this all the way around the macaroon that you're going to be doing. So I did this to all of them, you can see. And I'm going to put these in the oven now, so I'm going to go do that, and I'll be back when they're cooked. So they're in the oven now, and you just want to make sure that this stays like soft for the fun. And you can just stop and take a snack. Right now I'm just taking a cracker. So, yeah. So these are all cooked now. And now I'm going to pair these up, and I'm going to put the filling in them. And we will be able to stick them together. So I'll be back when they're all paired up. So I paired these up, and now I'm going to teach you how to put in the filling. And this is going to be the bottom one for this one, because I don't really like this one. I like this one. This one's very good. This one here. So I'm going to show you how to make the filling in. So yeah. So to make the filling, you're going to need some of the filling that you made. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll it up in a very big and long sausage, just like this. Don't worry if it breaks. It's fine. So it's kind of hard because I couldn't really get a good camera angle, so sorry about that. But we're going to just start by, I'm just going to get a new piece because that fits like a bit dried up. So now we're just going to just roll this up in a, up like this, up and around, like this. Let me show you. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna roll this out, because you want to roll it up like this, and I'll be back when that's done. And this is what it looks like. So do this to all your macaroons, and then you can go ahead and paint them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was very, very long. But I will see you ninjas in the next video. Bye!